Namaste to all subscribers, users, and viewers. From today, we are going to be live for yoga. As we all know, yoga is a way of meditation, is a way of being healthy. But with this channel, with this page, I'm just motivating the people to become aware for their mental health, for their physical health. And yoga is doing both the things. It help you in getting rid of and in providing you a better health, physical better health and the physical mental health. Sorry, physical health and the mental health. So in this video, we are going to start one yoga every week so that you can have a time to practice, time to make your posture according to the yoga, because this yoga is known as the Ashtanga Yoga. Ashtanga Yoga means you have to create your body, you have to formulate your body according to the yoga and the need of the disease procurement. So those who know already about the yoga, it's just a recap for them, and those who are just joining first time and starting yoga for the first time, there are certain important things to share. Likewise, first thing, the stomach should be empty when you practice yoga. Empty means if you have eaten something before 4 years, then you can start yoga right now. If you have drank something before 2 hours, then you can start. Sorry, I said 4 years. No, it's not 4 years, it's 4 hours. So if you drank something before 2 hours, then you can start yoga. So means before, when you start yoga, you should not be allowed to eat anything 4 hours before, and not to allow to drink anything 2 hours before of that. Another thing, the surface should be flat and solid. And there should be either the mat or yes, there should either be a mat or the bed sheet on the surface, so that your energy, what you are gathering, the energy, what you are generating, the energy inside you should not go into the earth. It should be remain inside your body, and you can utilize, you can feel that energy. So today I'm going to start to teach you how to do Sirsasana. But first of all, why to do Sirsasana? Sirsasana, because Sirsasana gives you a glowing skin, facial skin. When you are going somewhere and someone say, hey, which cream you are using? And you say, yeah, cream? No, I am practicing Sirsasana. So it gives you a very glowing skin. Some people have a hair fall problem. And when someone see you after 1 month or 2 months and say, hey, you have transplanted hair, and you say, no, it's not hair transplant, but it's yoga that I started. And the yoga is Sirsasana. It helps you in avoiding hair fall. The best thing for the old people. Everyone is not old, but the thing is, the wrinkles on your face will be disappeared if you practice Sirsasana 1 month every day. Time 1 minute to 5 minutes to 10 minutes, or you can go to half an hour. It's up to you, but first, before, get Siddha on this yoga. So let's start Yogasana, Sirsasana. Okay, so and one more thing, the people who have hypertension, who got any kind of surgery, and the women with the menstrual cycle, please do not practice this yoga. Please do not practice this yoga. I am repeating, the people with the hypertension who got any kind of surgery in their body and the women with menstrual cycle, please do not practice this yoga at all. So rest of all, yes, you can practice with me. So just stand up like this and sit like this. This is a Vajrasan Mudra. What is the Vajrasan? I'll let you know in the next video, the advantage and disadvantage of Vajrasan. But first, starting from your head, your face and your neck muscles. Now, fix your fingers like this and put in front of your knees, and then slowly, one more most important thing, yoga is to be done in a very slow motion while you are achieving the position and when you are depositioning yourself. Both steps should be in the same manner. So after this, put your hand slowly in between in the socket of your fingers like this, and now slowly uphold your body and then start breathing slowly. Exhale and inhale in a usual way. Those who are doing this yoga for the first time, they can have a support of wall, corner or their friend. When you achieve the position, when you start balancing, those who are not balancing themselves, they use the wall and try to be aside slowly and try to balance. And when you balance, then you can practice this yoga up to 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes on your capacity. And when you are returning back, slowly come back in the position from where you started, like this. And the most important thing with the Sirsasana, when you finish with your position, then stand up. For the same time in which you are in the inverted position, in the Sirsasana position. This position brings your whole blood into your brain. Now, along with this physical thing that I told you, the long hair, sorry, I got this, my hair cut like this, but the women and the people, those who have a hair fall problem, along with this, their facial glowing, the important thing, dementia. Those people who forget something, if I give you a book to read and you read the line and after 10 minutes, after 1 hour, you forget about the line, these people will really get help with this Sirsasana, because the whole body blood goes into your brain, and all the nerves get stimulated, active, they get energy, they get food. Yes, of course, food from they take the oxygen. Second thing, the people with insomnia, those who say, hey, I can't sleep properly, there is a problem, I don't know, there is a problem in their mind, in their brain, that they cannot fix it because the brain is not having oxygen properly. So after that, the people who those who have the problem of insomnia, they really get benefit with this Sirsasana. So we have discussed 4 major benefits. Number 1, hair fall improve. Number 2, skin glow. Number 3, wrinkles. Number 4, dementia. And number 5, insomnia. And the rest, you will have a better healthy life. Okay, so the people who are commenting, I will reply them after this live video. And those who have any question, they can ask me on the video, but do not vulgar or foul or any foul language, because yoga is not a just to do things, it's a science. Now after this, we will start meditation. So just sit in the Padmasana or Ardha Padmasana. Padmasana mudra is your leg like this, bend your first leg and the second leg on the top of it. This is the Ardha Padmasana. Now put your finger like this and sit. Hold your hand on your knees, and then straight your vertebral column. Close your eyes. Deep inhale. Exhale. Again a deep inhale. Exhale. Now focus on your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your central nervous system, focus on your breathing. Your autonomous nervous system, focus on your breathing. Or you can focus on the Manipur chakra as well. Here in the neck, we have the Manipur chakra. You can focus here as well. Just forget about the market. You are going to the market and bringing vegetable, food, stuff. Forget about the friends. Today is the Saturday. You have a barbecue party outside. Forget everything. But what the things I am saying, people, they are just assuming all these things. No. Yoga and meditation means cut off yourself from the rest of the world. What I am saying, it's nothing. What the first I said. Focus on your breath. Inhale, exhale. Focus on the breath. Do not think about the barbecue. Do not listen me again. Just focus. And when you finish, just chant, recital the word Feel the vibrations of Om. Your brain will get calm with the vibrations of Om. So, thank you so much for coming on this live session. And next Saturday, 9 a.m. European Central Time. See you again with a glowing face, long hair, with the no problem of dementia. Remember this, dementia. Those people who have the problem of forget anything, everything. They are the most benefited people with this Sirsasana. And the people with the insomnia, those who do not have a proper sleep, used to take the pills. Why do you used to take the pills? We have the science, we have the yoga, we have the positions. Just master yourself in Sirsasana and get benefited. Namaste.